Hey guys, thanks for coming back to check out my channel. Today I will be sharing with you the unboxing and the review of the Echo Show 5. Now this isn't anything new, and I actually bought one when it first came out last year, but recently they had a sale on these where the price was reduced to $50, which led to me to buy a couple more for my home. That sale is over and the price is now back to about $70 on Amazon, but you can get $30 off if you buy two and use the code SHOW52PK. I figure you can never have too many of these, and they work great all over the house for automation, for video conferencing, getting access to news and information, or simply for the purpose of having a digital clock and streaming music. Anyways, on to the unboxing and review. The Echo Show 5 is a great device to have if you want to add or extend your home automation setup and capabilities. It was a cheaper solution at around $70 compared to the original 10-inch Echo Show, and a more compact and smaller version compared to the new Echo Show 8. I like it because it's roughly the size of my standard alarm clock, but still packs the same punch compared to its two larger versions, but at a lower cost. This allows me to put one in almost every single one of my rooms, which then allows me to add elements of automation through Alexa in every room, allowing me to control almost everything in every corner of my home. The device itself has a standard power plug, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a mini USB plug for connecting various external devices, such as the hard drive. It also has a nice rubber base to keep it from slipping or sliding when sitting on surfaces. But what I like best about the Echo 5 Show is that it has a privacy shutter, so you can manually shut off and cover the 1-megapixel camera and mic for privacy, which wasn't available in the original Echo Show itself. It's got a 5.5-inch touchscreen with a resolution of 960 by 480 and weighs about 14.5 ounces. The Echo Show 5 has pretty much all of the same features of its two larger versions in a more compact sized device. What I generally do is use it as an alarm clock in my bedroom, or even for listening to music just to get me out of bed, because sometimes that can be tough. In my home office, I often use it to check on news, weather, and even on occasion to make a conference or video call. And sometimes I even use that as an intercom to talk to my wife if she's in a different part of the house, such as the kitchen when I'm upstairs. Yeah, I know, I can be lazy sometimes, but hey, that's what it's for. My wife likes to use it when she's home alone if someone comes to the door and rings the doorbell, and also to check and keep track of any packages or deliveries she might have. Setup is fairly easy. You just need to input your network settings, select the location of the device, and the Echo Show 5 will do the rest, and integrate itself and your settings into the device itself. The touchscreen is also very responsive, and navigation is not too hard to figure out. The screen itself is very vivid and bright, so the images and videos are super clear. It also has 2 built-in microphones, so pulling up any kind of command using your voice is also spot on. I will say though, and I have said this before, Alexa is not as personable or as friendly as Google, but is by far easier to integrate and set up. The speakers on this device are also amazing for its size. The combination and value for the Echo Show 5 is really tough to beat, and the device itself does very well. Because it's always connected, it always has access to any information you will ever need, as well as any kind of updates to keep it always up to date. It comes in a charcoal and a sandstone color, and has access to the network of skills and apps that continues to grow on a daily basis. It still could use some improvements in playing video, and I wouldn't recommend it for browsing the internet, but for the cost, I really can't complain. I think it's definitely worth the price that I paid for it, and like most Amazon devices, it regularly goes on sale. And again, I love the speakers on this device for playing music around the house.
Here's a station for you based on royalty-free music on Amazon Music. Currently, in Round Rock it's 78 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can expect partly sunny weather, with a high of 100 degrees and a low of 78 degrees. Please select a default browser.
Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Echo Show 5. If you do plan on buying one or more of these devices for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the section below. Please also support this channel by clicking on the like button and subscribing to this channel to see more. And as usual, thanks for watching, and see you next time.